Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we're going to be making a tuna pasta salad, which I'm really excited for. This is kind of like Woolies kind of inspired. It's also been really hot and like you can't go wrong with the tuna pasta salad. I feel like it's so yum. You don't even have to worry about load shedding. You can eat it cold. It's really great. So yeah, let's get into it. So I've already cooked my pasta and I've pretty much already like rinsed it and stuff like that. So it's cooling down. It has pretty much already cooled down. Yeah, it's pretty much cooled down, which is really important. I'm doing corkscrew pasta today, so I just pre-cooked it to save on some time. So I'm doing something really simple and easy today. I'm not going to ham. I am just doing cucumber, tomatoes, tuna, of course. I'm going to start off with 2 cans and then I'll add more. I might need 3. And yeah, we're going to do a nice dressing to go with this. And without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to start by making the dressing. I have some lemon juice, some mayo, as well as some Dijon mustard. I did look at a few TikTok videos and I saw that they used these things. I'm also going to do some pepper. So I'm going to go in with my mayo. I have some Nola. You can just eyeball it. Nobody wants a dry salad. Then I'm going to go in with my vegan mayo. Remember, this is like for 4 portions, so I think it should be fine. I'm going to take some Dijon mustard. I'm going to put about maybe 2 tablespoons, maybe a little bit more. You will need to taste this as you go. I'm going to do some black pepper. I've seen in other videos people do like, what do you call this? Vinegar. I'm not too much of a fan of vinegar, but if that is your preference, by all means. Like I said, I'm going to taste this and see what the vibes are. Then I'm also going to do a little bit of lemon juice. Lemon and fish go really well. Let's mix this up. Okay, I'm going to do a little taste test. I think that's pretty good. Obviously, it is lacking a bit of salt, but I'm not going to put salt because the tuna is going to be salty enough. So I think we're fine. I do think I maybe want to add a smidge more Dijon mustard. Just a little bit. Okay, let's do a little taste. That's better. The mayo that has egg in it, not the Simple Truth mayo, it has a bit of a tang to it, which really adds to, I feel like, a tuna type of vibe. If you know, you know. Okay, now it is time to drain our tuna. I'm gonna take a fork to just kind of fluff up and break up some of those tuna pieces. It will sort of break up as you mix, but you know. Uh-oh, we have the flies coming. I am just going to light my candle quickly. There we go. And goes in. Okay, let's mix this up. I think I'm going to do one more can of tuna. I think we need one more can. Of course, you can do however much you feel necessary for you. And I think we're pretty much good to go. I'm going to do a little taste test. That is perfect. And now that the salt from the tuna is in there, it's really bringing out some of those flavors. So let's get into meal prepping. You're going to get your containers, and how this is going to work, or how I planned it in my head, is that, let me not mess, I'm going to do it like Woolies, where they put like the saucy stuff at the bottom. I'm going to try and distribute this equally, hopefully. So I'm kind of going to lay the tuna mixture down. And I think I'm just going to eat from this bowl because why not? We're not trying to make dishes dirty. This is not a real cooking show, guys. This is not for the aesthetics. This is real life stuff. Okay. Again, try to evenly distribute this as best as possible. The rest is going to go into this bowl. This is honestly like another quick and easy kind of meal. I am going to wash my cucumber. Anybody else does this? I don't even know why we do this. Why do we do that, guys? It's probably an Indian thing. Well, I don't know. Why do we do that? Why do we do what we do? Ay, ay, ay. What a pain in the butt these things are to get off. So I'm gonna split this into 4 equal-ish kind of parts, and then I'm going to cut them into 4s. And then cut them even further. And then we're going to put them on top. Okay, so as you guys can see, we have our tuna, our pasta, and our cucumber, as well as our tomato. I'm gonna give this a good mix. And this is essentially what your pasta salad will be looking like once it's all mixed up. As you guys can see, I've already pre-packed my other stuff to the side. Okay, so let's give this a taste test. I'm gonna grab some pasta, some cucumber, and some tomato. This is really, really bomb. I hope you all said thank you, God, for this food in your head. That's really yummy. There is enough salt from the tuna in here, which just balances out all the flavors perfectly. I guess you can add other flavorings if you want. If you want it to be more spicy, you could add like a spicier Dijon mustard, but this tastes really good, you guys. Not just saying it. And for an easy meal, I think it's absolutely perfect. You're going to be filled, you're going to have enough protein, and yeah, I'm definitely going to enjoy this. I'm not that girl that will ever say I'm never going to have carbs, because carbs are life. Again, this is such an easy meal. I guess if you want to, you can also do this with chicken. You could do this with mince, whatever your heart desires. I know Willie's makes a mean chicken Caesar pasta salad. Oh, I love it so much. But yeah, you guys, that is it for this week's meal prep with me video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. I'm also enjoying it because it's also making me step out of my comfort zone. I feel like this is the most I've cooked in a very long time, and that says a lot, because typically I'm just like an air fryer girl. I air fry everything, and now it's making me actually like think out the box and actually look for decent recipes. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me clear my teeth. Don't forget to slay all day, every day with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.